ACCELQ is a leader among continuous functional test automation providers and is trusted by Fortune 500 enterprises across industry verticals. ACCELQ's AI-powered codeless test automation platform has proven to achieve 3 times the productivity and reduce test maintenance by 70%. That translates to over 50% cost savings and enables alignment with your continuous delivery. Most codeless test automation tools out there are oversimplified, taking a narrow view and failing to address real-world complexities, while custom framework approaches quickly get buried in technical debt and are not scalable. So how is ACCELQ different? ACCELQ brings the discipline, flexibility, and power of a conventional code-based setup into a codeless world. Automation-first, no-code capabilities make it easy for testing teams without programming expertise to develop automation in plain, natural English. But ACCELQ's codeless philosophy is not just limited to writing test logic. As a holistic platform, ACCELQ has the depth and scalability to manage the entire quality lifecycle. Easily automate end-to-end flows across web, mobile, API, and desktop without writing a single line of code. Effortlessly manage test assets with built-in version management and collaborative source control. Benefit from advanced self-healing capabilities with autonomics and deep learning to quickly adapt to changes. Get visual application models with business process relationship. Enjoy seamless integration with CI/CD pipelines in Agile plus DevOps environments. The world is undoubtedly moving towards low-code, no-code, and cloud apps that present their unique set of testing challenges. Our game-changing technology, ACCELQ Live, drives digital assurance across enterprise and vertical industry apps. ACCELQ's platform approach enables live pre-built automation assets to align with each vendor update instantly. And the revolutionary marketplace concept hosts live solutions from software vendors and system integrators to help you find the perfect alignment. Give your testing verifiable acceleration. Sign up for a free trial today.